Hey guys, Netherite Dev here. Welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get realistic lighting graphics in Roblox Studio using the brand new lighting engine that was just released and some more stuff. The disclaimer though, the lighting engine may not be available for all devices, and I don't think you can publish games using the lighting engine yet because it is still in beta. But it will be out soon, I think. Or maybe it's already released, I'm not sure. But if you're excited, leave a like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And I'll see you guys in the video. See ya. Alright everyone, so the first thing we can do to get a realistic lighting is we can go to workspace here and click on terrain and make sure decoration set to true. Well, this isn't really for lighting, this one, but it still makes the game look really cool. It gives you, like, the terrain looks really bland without it. It gives you animated grass, and it does not affect performance at all, which is really, really, really nice. So, next what we can do is you can change the water stuff if you want to. So, I like to set the wave speed to 15, and the water wave size to 1 because that's max. Alright, and then you can also affect the water transparency if you want to, so you can see under it. You can set to 0, and then set to 0, you can't see through it at all. And set to 1, then it's completely transparent, and it looks really nice either way. So I think I'm going to keep it at 0.5, maybe, like that. I think that looks really nice, or 0.45. There we go. Or just 0.4, that's good too. So that makes the ocean look really nice. And you can also change the color if you want, right here. But I really like this color, so I'm not going to change it. Alright, so the next thing we can do is in lighting here, you can go ahead and add in an atmosphere. You see without an atmosphere, and then with an atmosphere. And you can go ahead and change the color of it if you want to. Just like to keep it at this. Alright, so then you can also add in some sun rays effect, and a bloom effect. You can see the sun rays like right here, for example. On the ship, you can see the sun rays. Makes it look really nice. You also see the sun rays like right here. See the rays. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go to atmosphere, and I'm going to set the density to 0.295 instead of 395, so you can see a bit better. Oh, this is very, very important. In lighting here, set the technology here to future instead of shadow map. Because this is a new lighting engine that Roblox just added, and it makes everything look really, really nice. Like the reflection here, you see all the grass looks like it's on fire, and it just looks really, really, really cool. It's still in beta though, so it might not be available on all devices, but it's a great feature that Roblox added for realistic lighting. And if you want to, you can also use the plugin. So it's Sunset. I'll leave a link to it in the description down below. You can hold it and you can drag the sun around, like that. You can see it like right here, maybe. It looks like really, really nice. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to go like over here. Let's go ahead, move the sun back there, behind that mountain. Yeah, that looks really, really awesome. So, anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, leave a like and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see in the comments. So this is just like a quick tutorial, but it's really, really worth it. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.